Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. We got trades lined up for 6/11/07, and I'll tell you right now, they're both green OMNIs, baby. We're going up, we're going up. There's the green for this side. There's the green for this side. I say, like I said in Friday's video, likelihood is we're going up for new contract highs. You got the financial industry brokerage firm earnings week. Generally, when these guys give their earnings, the market takes off because the financial industry has been doing fantastic. It's all about commissions and how much they're making off us guys doing what we do here. And I would imagine that that's going to pump us up. Towards the end of the week, you got the CPI, PPI. You got to watch out for that. That shows whether we have core inflation or not. Should be a tricky week. But I say they've already taken care of that by pounding the bonds the way they did. So, hey, all systems go on the upside. The picture looks clear. Let's see what happens. Barring these financial firms coming out and burying the market, which I don't think will happen, we should have some nice upside this week. Take advantage of that. The ESU7 or the SPU7, that's for the S&P, mini and large. Omni support 15.15.5 to 15.14.5. We're trading about 15.19, 15.20 now. A little pullback. I'm jumping in. Omni turns neutral if we get below 15.06.25. Omni's profit objective for the day is a paltry 15.33 or be out by the close. I like the trade. Again, you're going to buy them at 15.5 to 14.5. Stops go below 15.06.25. Look for an out somewhere up in the 15.30s. Let's look at the NASDAQ, a green Omni, the NQU7, the ENU7. Remember, we are in September. We've gone from M June to U September. We're trading Septembers. Omni support 1917.5 to 1916.5 on a bit of a pullback from where we are now. Omni turns neutral if we get below 1905, below 1905. Omni's profit objective is 1943 on the upside or be out by the close. Again, quickly, 1917 to 16, your buyers. Stops will be placed below 1905. 1943 is our profit objective. Of course, be out by the close. All right, we did a decent Friday roundup, so I showed you some things. Not much else to cover here. I'd like for you guys to get on my Flash Updates database. To do that, just go to www.livewithoscar.com. Sign a free registration form. It puts you on my Flash Updates database automatically. And if I'm going to make a change to this stop and raise the stop, or if I'm going to raise my entry level and or profit objective, I do that by shooting out a blast email as well as updating my site like that. And in order to get that, you've got to be on the Flash Updates database. You'll see what I'm doing. Do your homework at all times. I tell you this, especially a trade like Friday, one of the days where if you didn't do your homework and you took my trades blindly, it cost you. Always do your homework. Make sure your work jives with my work. And if that's the case, take the trade. And at worst, or at best, at least you have no one to blame but your own style for why you didn't have a winning day. And that's the easiest way to learn from your mistakes, is to say, I made this mistake. It must have been something I've done. And you try to fix what you're doing wrong. Even if it's following me, if that's what you're doing wrong, don't follow me, but do your own homework. Give me a call anytime you'd like at 718-351-2266. And, of course, we have an email address. We love receiving emails, and that is oscar@futuresanalysts.com. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, if you're going to place stops, place the stop order first, then place your buy order. If the market gets pummeled while you're placing a stop order before you ever get a chance to place your buy, at least you're knocked out or you're short on your sell stop. These things do happen, so be careful. And last but not least, stops are in, emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.